Hey, fellow vibrators, infinite energetic beings. Namaste, this is Ricky, and thank you so much for coming to this page and trying to realize or understand what your limiting core beliefs is and how it can really impact and change your life. I'll start with what my story with realizing my core belief, working on it, and healing on it has been. And I started Hydrate around 3.5 years ago with a deep spiritual awakening, realizing some very deep inner truths about myself, about how I've come to this planet to raise the vibrations and to send a high vibration impulse to this cosmos, and with lots of inspiration, lots of good positive energy, and lots of great intentions, I started to get working on it and creating all things possible for everyone around me so that I could create those higher vibrations. But after working for 3 years continuously non-stop on it, I hit a big rock bottom because I felt from deep within inside that I wasn't making any progress, and it was a very deeply sinking feeling from inside my soul where I needed a lots of soul clarity in me as to what I'm really doing with Hydrate and how I really want to help people and raise these vibrations. And after a lot of soul searching, I understood about how important it is to do shadow work regarding this, and having done a lots of shadow work, questioning everything about me, my existence, about why I'm doing this, how I can help people, how I can raise the vibrations, I understood and realized that my entire life I've been running on a deeply rooted limiting core belief, and that core belief was that everyone else comes first and I need to come last. So I was putting priorities on everyone else around me, and that was manifesting hugely in a very limiting way in my own life with my career and finances, where with Hybrid I was giving everything. I was trying to create all the things for everyone else, whereas I was putting myself last as to uh, the energetic transmission or energetic transaction of receiving. So I wasn't receiving anything, I was just focused on giving everything, and I ended up giving nothing. That's not what I would mean, but yeah, I mean the impact that I wanted to make, the creating impact of changing lives, I felt that that was not happening, and the reason being I was trying to help everyone else with everything possible I could do. So that is how my limiting core belief was affecting me in my career and in creating an impact, and with relationships around the same time. uh, I accepted a lot of rejection, and I put a lot of people in my relationships first, where uh, I used to just totally give and not receive again, and when there is an imbalance of that sorts, you always end up feeling rejected and having some breakups with very important people in my life. And same way it was happening in the lifestyle as well, where I was accepting all the bad habits, all the toxic habits within my energetic system, because I felt that I need to put the other person who also was involved in a toxic behavior. So realizing my limiting core belief and how it was impacting my life on an everyday basis was not just refreshing for me to know, but it was also very overwhelming, because I suddenly realized that everything in my life was happening because of this. And so I did a lot of shadow work, I did a lot of healing work, and I worked on understanding where, how this core belief is impacting my relationships, my emotions, my thoughts, my behaviors, my habits, my patterns. And when I found that link and I found the reason of why each and everything is happening with this limiting core belief, I tried to heal and successfully did that, where I changed my entire subconscious thought pattern. I changed the way I felt about things. I changed the way I reacted to situations. I changed my habits, changed my patterns. So it's a very powerful and transformative feeling that uh, I thought I need to share, and that is where I found my purpose with Hybrid as well. Because if I really wanted to create an impact, I had to empower individuals, and that is what I intend to do when I developed and built a proper structure with extreme detail as to helping you to not just identify what your limiting core belief is, but also to replace it with an empowering, with a benefiting core belief, so that you are going to see transformative changes in all aspects and all areas of your life. And it's not just doing any work, but I intend to handhold you and to guide you with each and every detail and each and every process to undergo this ongoing shift, to undergo this ongoing experience of transformation, and see how it will absolutely change your life. Because uh, your whole life, from possibly a generational trauma, or right from the time when you were born, is being run on autopilot on this core belief. And when you shift this, all your limiting beliefs, your limiting thought patterns, everything else shifts along with it. And that is where you rise to the next level of vibration and of your frequency. So if you do intend to identify, which is the biggest step, my dear friend, first step is to identify what your limiting core belief is. Book a session with me, book a 2-hour session with me, and I will help you to unravel what your limiting core belief all along has been. And once you identify that, it is going to be a very simple process. I would say simple, not easy, but a very simple process to change and to replace this core belief with a benefiting one. So, if you do think you would like to identify what your core belief is, that one belief which has been running all your life on autopilot, and through which you can create a bigger impact in this world, you can nurture better relationships, and you can create a high vibe lifestyle for yourself. And if you intend to do that, register for a session, book a call, book a 2-hour call, and let's together, one to one, heart to heart, identify what your core belief is. This is Ricky sending you so much love, so much joy, so much peace, so much happiness in this world. All the love.